Brainstorming Principles and Rules from www.brainstorming.co.uk. Copyright 1999. There are 5 important rules to keep in mind when dealing with brainstorming. The first rule is to postpone and withhold your judgment of ideas. It's at this point in time in the brainstorming session that you don't want to pass judgment on anyone's ideas. The purpose of brainstorming is to get the ideas out. And by passing judgment, whether either positive or negative, can only impact the amount of ideas that are actually brought out in a brainstorming session. Rule number 2, encourage wild and exaggerated ideas. It's much easier to tame a wild idea than it is to think of an immediately valid one in the first place. The more wild, the better. Shout out bizarre and unworkable ideas and see what they spark off. No idea is too ridiculous. State any outlandish ideas, exaggerate ideas to the extreme. Rule number 3, quantity counts at this stage, not quality. You're looking for launching points. You're looking for places to build ideas from. The more ideas you have gathered, the better the chance you're going to find one that can be built on later. Rule number 4, build on the ideas put forward by others. Build and expand on the ideas of others. Try and add extra thoughts to each idea. Use other people's ideas as inspiration on your own. You'll never know which idea will be the golden idea unless you take a look at each of them in a little bit more detail. Rule number 5, every person and every idea has equal worth. Every person has a valid point and a unique perspective on the situation and solution. We want to know yours. This concludes the 5 fundamental principles of brainstorming. Use these at your next meeting and see what ideas you can spark up.